Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is how to fix your tech. Now today I'm going to bring you a new video. Now today I decided to restore my old but trusty MSI A6400. Now this computer has been featured in a lot of videos like Windows 7 End of an Era, what it's like to use a 10-year-old laptop, and it's been screen recording on a few of my early videos, so it's been with me for a lot of the journey. Now it's actually getting used a bit, so I decided to restore it. I don't think it'll be dusty. I mean, it's not broken, so there's nothing, it's not really a real restore, but it's more of a dust out. Hopefully you find this video entertaining, but till then, let's roll the intro. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the area ready. I'm basically going to just, get the area ready, get the set looking a bit better, like as in we'll get some lamps. I've got one right there, but I might get one more just to even the light out. I did run this video a little late today, so hopefully it's not too dark. Right, so we'll just get time-lapse all the getting the area ready, putting some more lamps in, and hopefully we'll be ready to restore. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look into my Okay everyone, so as I like to talk about in all of my videos, the tools you'll need mainly for this laptop are not a pretty small size screwdriver and a painting brush. That anti-static is better, but this worked fine in another computer, so I'm not too concerned. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble everything, and then I'm going to talk about the next thing to do. So I'm going to time-lapse this so we don't go too far on gigabytes, like as in video files. But once we're done, I'll see you then. Okay everyone, so I've got it as taken apart as I really want. Now you may have noticed I haven't taken out the CPU, taken off the CPU cooler, just because I don't have any more thermal paste, and the stuff in there is fine. I know I replaced it myself not that long ago, so I'm sure it will keep it cool still. But anyway, it's on to the dusting stage, so I'm going to dust basically everything with this paintbrush. And after that, I will talk about what is next, so enjoy this bit. So the dusting is complete. Now there's only one thing left, apart from we are going to play a bit of Minecraft for just benchmarks. It's a pretty good game for benchmarks because it's low powered and it's supposed to run on PCs like that. But anyway, enjoy the rebuild. Everything's going in obviously. But anyway, so yeah, enjoy. You can call me killer. As you look into my eyes, nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. Won't get away. Alright everyone, so restoration is done. Now you may have noticed that I took it apart again. That was because I accidentally put the little the little PCB for the power button the wrong way. Somehow managed that, but it wasn't pressing in. Luckily I didn't get too far in without noticing it, but once that's done, we'll give it a go. Should work. Why I'm recording now, because sometimes it likes to start up when you just plug it in when you've done a hardware change, but anyway. Yep, starting up. I reckon it'll just boot into Windows like normal. Okay everyone, so I hope you enjoyed that bit of B-roll. Now, time to play a game. Okay everyone, so with Minecraft, it was an alright experience. It wasn't extremely smooth, but what do you expect? It's a 10-year-old laptop, and I'm pretty impressed. I mean, Minecraft is nowhere near hard. But anyway, this can definitely run Minecraft. So at least it can still run some lower end games if you were stuck with a PC like this. Now obviously with Unity Heaven it didn't run very well because obviously it is a very graphical intense benchmark. So it was really stressing the Intel HD graphics. Now we were averaging about 15 frames per second. Obviously when the scenes changed it got worse and a little bit better, but I wouldn't recommend playing any high resolution games, and this was still on low resolution, so it's not like it was on ultra or high or anything like that. If it was on that it would be very bad, but anyway, just remember, don't bother trying to run Unity Heaven on it. Alright everyone, so that was the MSI A6400 restoration. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry, this video will take a little while to get to YouTube because we don't currently have much internet. We are going to our next place which does, but that'll be after 3 o'clock, so sorry about the video. But anyway, thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another one.